Hey, I've got a great stretching device for your calf, your hamstring, glutes. I do a lot of walking. I do a lot of weightlifting. I need to be doing more stretching. So if you can identify, definitely check this out. This is so simple, but this is so effective. Let me show you how to use it. Rock, you just set it on the ground, right? You just put your foot on it. I'm just gonna step back a little bit. I'm gonna straighten my leg, okay? And it's gonna go ahead and rock my foot forward. Now watch, I'm just gonna lean forward, and right there, I am feeling the best stretch through my Achilles, through my plantar area, all the way up my calf, and I can feel it into my hamstring, which tells you how tight I am. Continue to lean forward and rock, and that feels absolutely amazing, I'm telling you. Watch the TV for a few minutes and just let that do what it does. Loosen me up. Now here's the other thing you can do with this as well. Put your foot there. Look, I can step back. I can go ahead and do some lunges, and just by going on top of the cork there, I'm adding a whole, whoa, I gotta catch my balance. I'm adding a whole another level of intensity, and now I am recruiting all kinds of stabilization muscles, right? Because I'm now having to balance this and kind of hold this in place, and I can go ahead and rock back and forth with that as well. Not sure what's on the inside, but I do know that the exterior is this cork, and it has been holding up very well. It's very comfortable. It's a very like anti-slip. So if you want to loosen up your lower body, get those stretches going, definitely check this out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.